Samtang Biztalk tama Kapuso, mahinabi ni Cecil si Kapuso Actor Paolo Contis.
Versatile actor both for TV and film ug karon giila na nga pandemic superstar. Let's all welcome back pagbalik din sa Biztalk Paolo Contis. Mayong buntag Paolo ug welcome back dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Good morning! Hi Cecil, kumusta?
Eto, mabuti naman. Masaya kami dahil kasama ka namin. Kumusta ka na? Kumusta ang buong pamilya?
Okay naman. We're adjusting to everything. Pero happily we're healthy. And basta kumpleto ang pamilya, okay naman ako.
Ayan, that's good to hear. First of all, congratulations, Pao, because netizens have been tagging you as the Netflix king at pandemic superstar. How do you feel about the positive responses ng mga viewers sa trending movies mo, itong Through Night and Day and Ang Pangarap Kong Hold Up?
Masaya akong napasaya ko sila sa Pangarap Kong Hold Up. Masaya rin akong napaiyak ko sila sa Through Night and Day. Yung mga title na yan, thankful din ako dyan, pero mas gusto kong matapos yung pandemic kaysa maging pandemic superstar ako.
Yung nakita kong Paolo sa movie na yon, iba-iba siya sa komedyante na Paolo or the antagonist Paolo din that you did ng mga roles mo. How did you effectively deliver this role na ibang-iba sa nagawa mo na dati?
Actually, Through Night and Day was very easy to be different talaga kasi siyempre sanay naman sa akin yung mga tao na bad and comedy, di ba? Biglang nagpapaawa ako, So I think it was very different. I think isa yun sa mga naging reason kaya naging successful yung movie.
From being a child actor, kasi dati pa pinapanood ka na namin, and now versatile artist, how do you continually evolve as an actor, Pao?
Kahit may edad na ako, I still want to learn. Marami pa akong gustong gawin na iba-ibang character. Hopefully, I get to do it.
You grew up in show business na talaga.
Yeah.
Papayagan mo din ba yung mga anak mo to join showbiz?
Personally, I don't want. Personally. It's hard. The industry is hard. Lalo sa panahon ngayon, di ba? Alam naman natin, nakikita natin na mas dumadami ang critic, ika nga. And I don't want my kids to go through that. Pero again, it's my job to give them the values para kaya nilang harapin yung mga ganun.
Pao, let's talk about Bubble Gang kasi we recently interviewed si Kuya Bitoy and he was very impressed sa pinakita mong professionalism to continue producing new episodes for Bubble Gang even without him. How do you feel na napabilib mo si Michael V?
Siyempre, we were still taking his lead, ika nga. Ang nasa utak namin, what would Bitoy do? Diba? So yun, feeling lang niya ako siguro kasi ako talaga yung maboka talaga. So ako tak. So, at saka feeling naman namin, responsibilidad namin yun sa publiko. Especially now that people need they need a laugh.
Yes.
Ika nga. So feeling namin ngayon kami kailangan lalo ng public ang Bubble Gang.
That's why we're grateful sa mga fresh episodes nyo sa Bubble Gang. And aside from Bubble Gang, busy ka din hosting your online show, ang Just In, under GMA Artist Center. How are you enjoying and learning at the same time sa mga guests mo sa show?
Oh, I love that show. I love Just In. Sinimulan namin yan during the first few months or weeks pa nga ng pandemic. Nagsimula siya bilang plano lang na gusto namin makumusta yung mga tao. And then it became a Wednesday night habit for everyone. It's nice na kumustahin natin yung mga dati nating mga kaibigan, especially yung mga nasa ibang bansa, to check how they are. I believe in a small way, ang Just In gives hope.
Ang ganda nga kinakamusta niyo yung mga dating artista. It's very sentimental and nostalgic at the same time.
Exactly. Exactly. Nakakapag-reminisce ka nga.
Yes.
Lagi ko sinasabi sa Just In, mahirap pag-usapan yung present kasi wala ka namang mapag-usapan kundi somehow may mga sad news ika nga. So let's just turn back time and reminisce. Kaya masaya yung show.
What you went through also and the whole production went through to produce quality programs like I Can See You. What has been the challenges sa taping under the new normal?
Madami. Maraming bago. I mean, we finished the script reading at home. Sa Zoom kami nag-reading. Sa Zoom kami nag-costume test. So when we got to the location, everything was ready. Kumbaga, handa na yung mga artista for their roles. Handa na kami dun sa mga iti-take. Of course, we were tested. Ang grupo po namin, I think we were cut into half.
And with this being your first acting project since the lockdown, what makes you so proud of this episode sa I Can See You?
Proud ako na napili ako dun sa lahat ng artists to be one of the first few people na sumabak sa ganitong show. And happy ako na I was part of it. Sana magtuloy-tuloy siya para lahat magkaroon ng work na.
Yung mensahe mo din para sa mga kapuso natin.
Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa GMA. At kapit lang, magiging normal na uli ang buhay natin. We're doing our best para bigyan kayo ng quality shows. So sana po tangkilikin niyo. Thank you.
We will talaga, Pao. Daghang salamat for spending your morning with us here.
Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you. Ayo, gayud si Piata, mga kapuso, ang bagong weekly series sa Kapuso Network, I Can See You, The Promise episode, kauban si Paolo Contis. Promise nga, malingaw gayud kamong tanan ni ini. Daghan paminggiandam para ninyo, so stay tuned lang dinhi sa Kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live.